name is Marilla Gambini, and Luigi Verga is my family company. It was founded almost 8 years ago by my grandfather Luigi Verga. The hand painting department for us is a little jewel because we are one of the few companies still having this department, and it's 100% artisanal. We are very proud to host the Master of Designing in Haute Couture. Cooperating with fashion school always gives us the opportunity to access the new and fresh ideas, young ideas that have not been corrupted yet by the dynamic of the business. The students today are meeting our artists and working together to embellish their beautiful artworks and make them even more special.